All right, please excuse the absolute mess here. I just did the rear brakes recently and I haven't taken any of the parts inside yet. And put it in boost mode. Well, I guess I'd better start moving before the neighbors get angry about my loud car. Lovely speed bump. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another POV in the Subaru. God damn it. I missed a shift. That's right, everyone. We are driving my favorite obnoxious purple big Boeing 747 winged hatchback here on the channel. I haven't driven this car in like a week now. Believe it or not, guys, I don't daily drive this absolutely obnoxious vehicle. Who would have thought? But I have to drive it at least once every couple weeks because otherwise I'm gonna get a ticket by my HOA people who run my apartment and monitor the parking lots and stuff. So, what's up with this car? Well, for starters, I haven't really done anything to it in a while. I don't think I've done any new modifications or any new part installs since the giant chassis mount wing several months ago. Obviously, this is not including the brakes that I just installed in the rear. Okay, that's fun. Ooh, another Subaru wagon. It is a bug-eye on legacy wheels, or Outback wheels. Okay, that's pretty sweet. This isn't including the install of my brakes because I just put stock brakes in here. Eventually, I do plan on installing the STI big brake kit, but until then, I'm just running stock brakes. Now, this car has definitely been neglected, and you can tell just from the outside. The wrap is peeling. My fender flare has this nice hole in it now, thanks to whoever it was in whatever parking lot it was. Who knows? Maybe it was Walmart, maybe it was school, maybe it was even at my apartment. I don't know. But that fender flare is cracked. It looks absolutely stunning. Let me tell you that. I would want nothing else than a broken fender flare there. A lot of the things that are neglected about this car that I need to fix, it's all exterior stuff. So here's my plan. I want to tackle that stuff first. I'm looking at wide body kits, an actual wide body for this car, not $40 fender flares, an actual good wide body. I know they're a little bit less common for the wagons, but they're still out there. If worse comes to worse, I'll just modify a sedan wide body, but I don't think that'll be necessary. Of course, along with that is another big ticket item, which is the wrap. The wrap is, it's not in the best shape anymore. It's been 3 years almost since I put this wrap on. I feel like it could have looked a little bit better if my prep work was maybe a bit better, but granted that this is the first car I ever wrapped, I think how long it's lasted it's pretty okay. Now, the next time I wrap this car, it's going to be interesting because I'm not going to be wrapping it in a garage. So, I don't know how this is going to work, but I guess we're going to find out. Another thing I need to take care of is rust. It is not the worst rust I've ever seen. It could be worse. I'm probably just going to cut out tons of metal and re-weld. That's the best way to take care of that. Just eliminate it. It's like cutting out cancer cells, right? You have to cut out that and more if you want it to stop. Eggs. Is that noise just from me turning? Is it rubbing? No way, it's not that low. There is no way I was just rubbing from a 5 mile an hour turn. There's no way. If it is, I'm gonna raise this car up, because that's ridiculous. I mean, I feel like I think it has to be. The noise is gone now. What the hell? We're gonna do one pull here and then go to the gas station. I'm running low on fuel. Obviously, for legal reasons, I'm going to stop here. Okay. Wow. I've been driving the Corollas a lot. I forget how much power this thing really has. I think if I remember correctly, I put this car on virtual dyno and made 250 wheel, so it's pretty, this car is pretty strong. It will be even stronger once it gets an actual good tune on it. Road damage ahead. This? That's been there forever. What the? That's been there for so long. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's been there for so long. What do you mean road damage ahead? That's nothing new. They had me concerned for a second. Oh yeah, and then I forgot the last important piece of the puzzle. After we get this car situated, it looks good, it runs good, we will take this car to a track day. Not like a race event, but an open lapping trap day where you can just take whatever car you want with whatever mods you have. No restrictions or anything besides, like, you can't bring a minivan or something. But we will take this car to a track day, and it will be good. I did not see those were emergency lights. Are the emergency lights just, I'll give them some space. Are the emergency lights just on because they're broken down? Well, okay, well clearly not because they're moving. Okay, I'm gonna give them some space. Oh, they've got stuff hanging out of the hatch, that's why. Always stop for pedestrians, guys. You don't want to hit people. That is going to be it for today's POV video on the Subaru. I am going to make some more content with this car. I know it's not the most popular car here on this channel, but I don't care. I made this channel to document stuff, not to get views. So here's me documenting this car. I will be making more videos with this car, starting to fix the exterior. I will make a video when I get it tuned. I will definitely make a video when I track it. All that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Click up here to see more POVs. Click down here to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.